Welcome back to Better Life After 60. One signature can change your retirement. That may sound dramatic, but for many older adults, it is painfully true. A son needs a car. A daughter wants help getting approved for an apartment. A grandchild needs a student loan. They look at you with hope in their eyes and say, "I just need you to co-sign. I'll handle the payments. Nothing will happen." And in that moment, it does not feel like a financial decision. It feels like love. It feels like family. It feels like helping. But after 60, co-signing a loan can become one of the most dangerous mistakes you ever make, because you are not just helping someone borrow money. You are putting your own future on the line. Today, we are talking about why you should never co-sign a loan after 60, how it can quietly destroy your peace of mind, and what to do instead if someone you love asks for help. Let's start with the truth most people do not explain clearly. When you co-sign a loan, you are not simply vouching for someone's character. You are making a legal promise. You are telling the lender, if this person does not pay, I will. That means the debt may be in their name, but the risk becomes yours too. And lenders do not care that you signed out of love. They care that your name is on the contract. This is where so many older adults get trapped. They do not co-sign because they are careless. They co-sign because they are loving. They want to help a child get back on their feet. They want to help a grandchild start school. They want to be supportive. They want to be the person the family can count on. And sometimes there is pressure. Not always loud pressure. Sometimes it is quiet. A disappointed face. A long pause. A sentence like, "I thought I could count on you," or "It's only until I get established," or "You know I'd do it for you." That kind of pressure is powerful, especially when it comes from family. But after 60, you cannot afford to confuse love with liability. When you are younger, a financial mistake can still be painful, but there is often time to recover. More working years, more income potential, more room to rebuild credit or savings. After 60, the stakes are different. Many older adults are living on fixed income, retirement savings, Social Security, a pension, or a combination of all three. That means there is less margin for error. One unexpected debt can upset everything. Your monthly budget, your emergency fund, your ability to sleep at night, and that is why co-signing becomes so dangerous in later life. Let's say your adult son asks you to co-sign for a car loan. He promises he can handle it. He means it. He fully expects to pay every month. But then life happens. He loses hours at work. His rent goes up. He gets sick. There is a breakup, a surprise expense. One missed payment turns into two, then three. Suddenly, the phone starts ringing. The lender is calling you. The late payments appear on your credit report. Your credit score drops. And now a loan that was never supposed to be your problem has become your burden. This is the part many people do not understand until it is too late. Co-signing makes you fully responsible for the debt. Not morally, legally. That means you could be expected to pay the full balance if the borrower stops paying. It also means your credit can be damaged, even if you never missed a payment on your own bills. And after 60, damaged credit is not a small inconvenience. It can affect your ability to qualify for housing. It can make borrowing more expensive if you ever need a car, a refinance, or emergency credit. It can create problems at the exact stage of life when stability matters most. Then there is the hit to your retirement savings. If you end up covering someone else's loan, that money has to come from somewhere. Maybe it comes from your emergency fund. Maybe it comes from the savings you planned to use for medical costs, home repairs, or daily living. Maybe it comes from the cushion that made you feel safe. And once that cushion is gone, replacing it after retirement is much harder. But the damage is not only financial. It is emotional. Co-signing can bring constant stress into your life. You may start wondering every month whether the payment was made. You may feel nervous every time the phone rings. You may feel embarrassed, angry, or guilty all at once. And instead of feeling closer to the person you tried to help, you may begin to feel resentment. Money can strain even the closest families. A child who once sounded grateful may become defensive. A grandchild who promised everything would be fine may stop answering calls. A relationship built on love can become filled with tension, disappointment, and silence. That is why saying no is not selfish. It is wise. It is protective. And at this stage of life, protection matters. So what should you do if someone asks you to co-sign? Pause. Do not answer in the moment. Do not sign anything because you feel guilty. Do not let love rush you into a contract. Ask yourself a few simple questions. If this person stopped paying tomorrow, could I comfortably take over the debt? Would I be willing to risk my credit for this? Would this affect my retirement, my housing, or my peace of mind? If the answer is yes, that is your warning. There are safer ways to help. You can help them build a budget. You can suggest a less expensive car or apartment. You can contribute a small amount of money only if you can truly afford it. You can help them look for community resources, better financing options, or ways to improve their credit over time. Support does not have to mean signing your name to their debt. And when you need to say no, say it with calm and love. You can say, I care about you, but I can't risk my retirement. You can say, I want to help, just not in a way that could harm both of us. You can say, at this point in my life, I have to protect my financial stability. That is not cold, that is responsible. Before signing anything, speak with a trusted financial advisor or legal professional. Read every page, ask every question, and never let anyone make you feel ashamed for protecting what you spent a lifetime building. Because after 60, your peace of mind is precious. Your independence is precious. Your financial security is precious. You worked too hard to put all of that at risk for a loan that is not even yours. You can love your family deeply. You can be generous. You can be supportive. But love should not cost you your retirement. That is the message to remember. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to Better Life After 60, and share it with someone who may be feeling pressured to co-sign a loan. It may be the reminder they need to protect their future.